Hey guys, welcome back to my mom's channel. It's Destiny, and right now I am doing my homework because it's due tomorrow and it is Monday tomorrow. So right now I am doing my homework, and yeah. Yep, this question is one of the hardest I've ever got. Like algebra, seriously? Hey guys, it's Elijah, and right now I am doing the laundry because Princess is making dinner downstairs, and yeah. Hey guys, it's Princess, and right now I bought some pizza from the shops, and now I'm just warming it up in the oven because it was frozen. And yeah, so basically I am making dinner for all of us to share, so yeah. Oh my days, I totally forgot Roxy was outside in the rain on the trampoline. Roxy, get off the trampoline right now. You know you're gonna bring some mud into the house, plus you're gonna catch a cold if you stay outside. Sorry for yelling at you, but you shouldn't be outside, okay? Okay, now you can go inside, okay? Okay guys, so I think the pizza is ready, so I'm just gonna get it out of the oven and serve on the table. Ah, smells so fresh. Now I'm just gonna call everybody else for dinner, so yeah. Guys, it's dinner time. Come downstairs, please. Okay, perfect. You're sitting in your high chair and you all good. Ooh, Mom, what's for dinner? Yeah, I'm pretty hungry. Well, I made pizza for dinner since you guys love pizza. Thank you, Mommy. Okay, guys, enjoy your food. Okay, twins, 10 minutes of TV time, then you can go to bed, okay? Better get Mimi, because I have to change her diaper. Okay, just need to get Mimi out. Oh, hey guys, I'm the oldest, and of course, I have to do the dishes, but it's okay though. Hey guys, so it's Mia and Maya, and right now we're watching TV, and we chose Bluey because we love Bluey so much, so yeah. Because it's our favorite show.
Okay. Ring, 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 ring.
Hello, pizza shop. Would you like to order a pizza?
Yes, please. I want one supreme with no mushrooms.
Do you want garlic bread?
Yeah, I want garlic bread.
You got it. It will be there soon.
Do you need my address?
No, I can see you. Hurry. One supreme pizza, please, pizza girl. No mushrooms. Okay. Oh, garlic.
Girls, it's been 10 minutes. You have to go to bed now, okay?
Okay, Dad. I'm tired anyway. Yeah, me too. I'm kind of tired. Dad, we almost forgot to do skincare and eye drops.
Okay guys, so once you're done, call me and then I can read your story. That stinks my eyes though. For real, girl, but we have to do it anyway.
All done now.
And that's the story on how the slow sloth and the cheeky crocodile became best friends forever. The end. Good night, Mia. Good night, Maya. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you like it. And I'm so sorry if this video was short. I'm trying to get some longer videos out. And yeah, also here are my shoutouts for today. Thank you so much, Loki Sophie _Toka, addresses Tokaboka Life World, Purely Tokalana, Tokaboka Life World Teresa, and It's Scarlet 108. I love you so much and thank you guys so much. And if you want to be in a shoutout, simply like, subscribe, and comment the video so you can get like a higher chance to be in a shoutout. I love you guys so much and see you in the next video. Bye!